This year has been a turning point, a year where we step forward with clarity, purpose, and a renewed commitment to the farmers and communities that we serve. This year we celebrate the progress we've made together. To our team, thank you. Every early morning, every long day, every careful decision has moved this company in a stronger direction. You've shown what happens when people take pride in their work and believe in what they are building. To our customers and farming community, you are at the heart of everything that we do. You motivate us to innovate, improve, and provide products that deliver real value where it matters most, on your land. This year, we launched MicroBoost, a renewable fertilizer engineered to bring great nutrients that beats commercial fertilizers like MAP and Value. MicroBoost represents more than a new product. It represents a new standard that we are setting. Standard built on science, reliability, and long-term soil health. Our mission is clear. We provide renewable fertilizers that strengthen soil, boost yields, and support long-term success of farmers and communities that we serve. We aim to shape the future of renewable fertilizers through education and innovation, all while preserving our lands for tomorrow. As we look ahead to the new year, we carry momentum, confidence, and a renewed sense of direction. We are building a future of agriculture defined by family, purpose, responsibility, innovation, and people who stand behind it. Our team, our farmers, and our community. Thank you for being a part of this journey. From all of us here at LaSalle Agri, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.